Hello, this is a case study for None of Our Business by Roberta A. Fusaro. It's titled, What Should Dante Advise KK to Do About Its Stacking Products? And we're Team 2. We're Dina, Shweta, Ali, and Hero. Some of the key facts of the case study was that Radar Electronics is one of the top 5 makers and integrators of RFID tags in the United States. Dante Sorella is the CEO of Radar Electronics. Radar Electronics develops and sells inventory tagging technologies. Radar Electronics was employed by KK Incorporated to restore the company's supply chain and technology by using RFID tags, and they wanted to use the RFID tags to track inventory and provide exceptional customer service and also authenticate their KK brand clothes. The cost of one RFID tag was about 35 cents. One of the main key issues we came across was that would RFID's technology be used to enhance the customer experience, or would it invade the customer's privacy? One alternative is to use the RFID tags with multiple frequencies, to use it for stocking and tracking of merchandise, and is automatically deactivated when the item is purchased. However, the customer does have an option of registering or opting in for the customer reward system and can activate at their own will. The RFID tags can also be configured by the store and be turned on if the need arises so that it can be used for surveillance or tracking a missing child. Customers can also transfer the items and the information to other registered users. Some of the advantages is that it increases the customer's trust since the customer has the authority to activate or deactivate the RFID tags at their own will. KK can gather information from those customers who have opted in and also help to track kidnapped children. The disadvantage is that it is expensive to create the infrastructure. Not every customer will opt in, and it does not work if the kidnappers gets rid of the RFID tagged clothes. Another alternative is to use the RFIDs only for inventory tracking, preventing shrink, and allowing ease of self-checkouts with RFID-enabled credit cards. Some of the advantages is to track inventory and automatic reordering of high-volume products. It cuts down on man hours and cuts down on shrink, allows real-time analysis of purchasing trends, and the customers have a better experience due to the shorter lines, and also the customers do not have to save receipts, making it easier for returns and exchange of items. Some of the disadvantages that the ROI may not be seen immediately. New RFID softwares must be integrated into the point of sales, and also the staff must be trained on these new procedures. There may be a lack of staff for large events such as Back to School and Black Friday, and it would also lead to an increase in shrink if a technical way to disable the RFID tags is devised. The last alternative is to use the RFID tags in the KK brand clothes as a tracking device, in such that those tags would collect information from all other RFID tagged items that a customer comes across with. Therefore, the next time the customer returns to the KK store, all the information is downloaded from their tags and KK can use it for marketing and analysis. The KK stores can also use this information and sell it to other vendors or government authorities that request the information. Some of the pros is that legally it's a gray area. KK can use the information to understand the customer's buying habits and can also track clothing trends and fashion trends from other stores. And lastly, KK can make a lot of money by selling the data. The disadvantage is that it is not ethical, and there's lots of privacy concerns regarding customers are not aware of the RFID tags collecting data, and it may lead to customers losing trust in KK and ultimately the loss of revenue and the collapse of the entire brand. We recommend the first alternative because it meets the goals of the KK stores in such that they wanted to track the inventory and allow better customer service. And from a customer's point of view, they have the authority to activate and deactivate their own RFID tags. Therefore, it satisfies both parties.
The next key issue is RFID tags in products a complete solution to KK's advanced plans to enhance customer experience and make the company technology forward? What should be Dante's advice which offer complete solution? Alternative 1. Tagging its products with RFID technology. Easy maintenance of database, controls stockouts, and management of warehouse and inventory supply chain will be in order. Customer buying patterns and data related to customer can be easily collected and used to enhance customer shopping experience. The RFID technology is helpful in cutting shoplifting. Cons: privacy invasion. Major drawbacks of tagging product is that customer related data can only be collected when customer comes to shop wearing RFID tag clothes. When customer is not wearing clothes with RFID tag, that visit data is lost, and also there is no way to give customized shopping environment to those customers. Global expansion may be a potential concern as privacy rules, data collection and use may differ in different countries. Second alternative, unique customer identity card with RFID technology which activate at the entrance of the shop. Pros: customer buying pattern and data related to customer can be easily collected and used to enhance customer shopping experience. As data will activate on entrance, data related to shopping will be collected and no privacy invasion issues. With this, customer will have control to share the shopping related data and information with company or not. Customer will be given customized shopping experience depending on the past purchases, not on what they are wearing on that particular day. This will also solve global expansion concerns as they can decide on implementing technology in a region depending on rules and regulations. Cons: some research and development will be required to use current RFID tags in the cards, may be expensive initially. We will need RFID technology additionally on products to maintain inventory database to control stockouts and shoplifting. The complete solution will need combination of both the alternatives, that is tag products with RFID to maintain inventory database and to use unique customer identity card to enhance customer shopping experience and to collect data and information to discover customer buying patterns.
Hello everyone. Another key issue that we found was that RFID are accessible by each and every RFID reader installed at various places, so anyone can read the RFID who has a reader on them. An alternative for that could be make RFID only firm-centric and have a unique identifier that differentiates them from the RFID tag things. The benefit of having those would be only the company making the sale then can collect your information. Data will not be accessible by other RFID readers, and if data misused, then consumer can find the source easily. The cons of it would be developing of unique identifiers can be costly. Another alternative of it is allow customers to select from a list of sellers who are allowed to read the RFID of the product once bought. Few of the benefits of having this is this will allow the customer to pick who sees the data and records it. The customer satisfaction will rise as they will not be bothered by RFID readers everywhere they go. It gives the owner of the product more authority over the seller of the product. A few cons for it is the seller might not be selected by the customer who actually sold the RFID. There might be no one selected from the list and so I would like to recommend alternative 2 as it increases customer satisfaction, and with that it will help keep the flow of product demand in the market and not be completely disowned by the customers.